Hello guys, it's very funny because I can't see me that good, and I wanted to show you something. Enjoy the views with me. Yeah, I hope you can see wonderful stuff. Oh yeah, I need to uh, turn around so you can see this. The mountains over me, behind me. It's very high here. It's not Zugspitze, it's the opposite direction, which is there is a sea under and really quite much people and some restaurant, and just enjoy it with me. I am here staying like 2 hours and chilling, and there is also something so you can rock yourself in a special way. And yeah, it's even for adults, so this is great, I would say. Yeah, so have a rock tour video of me. Yeah, there are many, let's say, Christmas tree. How do you say it in English? I don't know the English pronunciation and word for it. I'm not sure. Yeah, it's funny because with one hand I am, you know, holding my phone and doing this video for you. So this is really funny, and one of my bag is near the restaurant, and my important personal stuff is here with me. And this is very, very nice. The sun is shining. It's June 2025 and it's hot, but in the shadow it's really chilly. It's calming, and yeah, oh my god, you feel here so much peace. The birds are singing and you can really enjoy it with me. Yeah, and see what is behind. Yeah, so this video should be like this. I hope you have fun. Maybe it can be like kind of your lullaby video. Now it's afternoon. It's like about 3:30 p.m. Very nice. It should be storm. It should be stormy. Oh, a doggy came to my stuff. Don't sneeze it. Go away. Dalmatin. It's funny. Yeah. So I don't know what you can see, but for sure you can see something. And I will show you it again. The dog is changing his position. Yeah, I will change my position too because my hand is really starving. And here you should be able to see the mountains with me. Yeah. So look behind. It's just wonderful. It's just wonderful. I would say here's the doggy. I hope you can see the doggy. Can you? He's biting the grass. It's funny. Yeah, from here are coming the people. And how you call it in English, this stuff here behind me, please tell me. Yeah, and this is how it looks here. Very, very nice. The lake is more in this direction behind the mountain. Yeah, and this looks really nice and calm and people here. So I come back to me and I will take you with me to a table. Yeah, so this is really hot here, but from this balcony you should be able to see what's behind you. And beautiful mountains view. Yeah. There's wind here too, and you know, I was sweating and my hair looks not that good, but yeah, it's very nice. I will correct. Okay, wait a second. I will correct the colors. And yeah, wow, it was a great effect. So, till the next time of the untraveled session.